Hey there, welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you how to make a modern afrobeat style beat inspired by Wizkid. If you're new, you know what to do, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off with setting the tempo. Let's set our tempo. We'll go with 105 for now, and now we're going to create a simple drum pattern. Just layering the pattern. Adding some more percussions. Adjust the volume. Now let's add a shaker loop and see how it sounds. All right, so I like the way the drums are sounding. Let's add some chords, and we'll be using from the ckay chat buster MIDI chord pack, which you can get from the link in the description below. Really affordable chord packs for afrobeat and dancehall genres. So let's see how this sounds like. I think I like this one, but I'm going to tweak it a little bit, and that's why its chord packs are so great. You can actually modify them to fit the vibe you want. So what I just did was I used Control and X to adjust the loudness of the chords so it sound a bit more chilled, because that can impact how the chords are. The higher the velocity of the sound, right, the more aggressive the instrument tends to be. So we want it to be a bit more relaxed, okay? And I just want to also repeat the first two chords. I don't need the other two. It's fine, but I think I prefer just the first two. So I'm just trying to add some more percussions to the drums. Now, please note that your drums can be much simpler than this, okay? It doesn't have to be as much as mine, all right? It's just the vibe I was going for. If you observe, there's a lot of layering going on here, okay? Your drums can be simple and still be great. It doesn't have to be as much as mine. So now let's record a simple counter melody. And now let's record another counter melody using the kalimba sound. So now let's add some guitars to give it more of that afrobeat Wizkid vibe. Now I'm going to add some ambient melodies so that the melodies sound a bit more full, all right? So here's a vocal loop I got from Splice. Whenever I need vocal loops and chops, I usually go to Splice for that. Now I'm going to add some effects to this vocal loop to make it sound a bit more interesting, okay? And I may also chop it up a little bit. So all I added to the vocal chop was just an EQ and some reverb, nothing special. Just took out the high end from the vocals. Now let's add some parts to give it that weight in the chorus, okay? So one thing you should know by using pads is that most times pads do tend to have a lot of sustain to them, okay? So you may need to adjust the length of the notes depending on the type of pad or the VST you are using, right? You may need to adjust the length so that, it doesn't sound like it's clashing or it's falling on each other, okay? So I'm going to reduce these notes by a lot, right? So that it sounds a bit more controlled. So now let's add a bass, because what's Afrobeat without bass? So since I'm almost done with the beat, let's hear how it sounds so far. So that's pretty much how I put this beat together. If you found this helpful, don't forget you can get the MIDI chord pack that I used to make this beats and most of my beats from the link in the description below. I remain so classy. Please hit the like button so other people that need helpful videos like this can easily find it right here on YouTube. See you soon. Cheers.